Hey everyone, this is Corey with Barstools and Dinettes. Due to the coronavirus pandemic, a lot of Americans are searching for ways to keep safe and keep clean both their homes and their families. We're going to give you some helpful general tips on how to keep your hardwood dining furniture clean without damaging the finish. Let's start with some simple do's and don'ts for the types of cleaners you should be using on your wood furniture. Hardwood floor cleaner is not something that most furniture manufacturers will recommend you use on your tabletops. It has a little bit more harsh chemicals, substances going on in here. It does clean a little bit better on your hardwood floors, but it's not safe for your tabletops. No furniture manufacturer that we carry recommends any kind of store-bought furniture polish because every furniture piece has a protective coating, especially on tabletops. These will put a cloudy surface on there and you'll eventually just end up cleaning it the way you should the first time with simple Dawn dish soap and water. If you get something really sticky, we have a lot of people call and ask about Goo Gone or Goof Off in particular. Not exactly the first route you should take, although Goof Off is much safer than Goo Gone. Still don't use it. Call us first and we'll ask the manufacturer what you should do. Any type of Clorox wipes, Lysol wipes, off-brand wipes, anything with harsh chemicals, ammonia should not be used on wood tabletops. Make sure that if it is something you want to disinfect, you clean the surface, disinfect the surface with a wood disinfectant spray, and then wipe it dry one more time after that. Do's of cleaning your wood top table. Let's look at some solutions that are great for wood tops and won't damage them. Keep it simple, stupid. That's the KISS method. Dawn dish soap with a little bit of water on a rag will work perfectly fine on cleaning your tabletops. Make sure once you soak the tabletop down, you do dry it up immediately after. Murphy's oil soap cleans wood tabletops very well, gets a lot of grime off of there. Sometimes it won't take everything off, but it is very safe for your wood. If anything you have on your tabletop can't be removed with Murphy's soap, then I recommend mixing Dawn dish soap with a little bit of vinegar as well and some water. Take that on a rag, wipe your table down, and then don't forget to dry it off immediately after. Let's take a look at some don'ts for what type of materials you should be using to clean your tabletops and wipe them down. First things first, and a lot of people love these, magic erasers. Any type of eraser with Clorox or bleach or anything is very harmful. It also acts as a sandpaper to the top of the wood surface. Nothing with a sound like that should be scraped across your wood tabletop. Standard paper towels. They have a lot of edges on there. They also make a little bit more of a sound. They have the potential to not scrape the wood, but the finish on top. So you will get swirl marks if you use a paper towel. Avoid those if you can. Now we'll take a look at some good do's on your tabletop. If you have to use a sponge for anything, make sure you're using a very soft sponge, not the hard side of the sponge you use to get all that spaghetti off your dishes. Microfiber cloths are a great way to clean your tabletops. They are not supposed to scratch, mar. They will not put swirl marks in the tabletops. Some of them have edges. On the edges with all the seam or all the stitching, that may get some food caught in there, which may cause you to scrape it across the tabletop. You can always get an edgeless microfiber cloth. You can find these at auto parts stores. These are great because nothing's going to get stuck in here that you're going to scrape across the tabletop. It's very soft as well. If you notice, these don't make much of a sound. When you're drying your tabletop off, an extra plush towel is a really good option. If you have an extra plush towel, you can kind of see the difference in the width there. It's going to dry up and be very nice on your finishes. If you go to our website, www.barstoolsanddinettes.com, you can click on virtual consultations. With the virtual consultations, it doesn't necessarily involve a face-to-face interaction, over the web. We can email back and forth. More than welcome to just call and talk to us and ask us any questions you have as well. So check those out, barstoolsanddinettes.com. Request a consultation. To adhere to any executive orders and to also cater to you, our customers, we are going to be making a few changes. Please listen for the following.